this video, we will show you how to install the latest Windows 11 Insider Preview with build 25197 version. And this is the looks like. You can select don't have a product key, and we will try to install Windows 11 Pro in here and click next. You can click the license terms, and we want directly to install this. Okay, this version of Windows is ready with new tab on File Explorer, so it's very excited for Windows 11 user. In here, we select country regions, and there is India Angeles also for this version of Windows for keyboard layout. And type your devices in here. We can click next, and we can use for personal account, and there is no offline mode to install this latest version of Windows 11. And we can predict if Windows 11 stable version on October 2022 will also cannot install with offline mode. So we need a Microsoft account in here. Okay, we can click accept. I don't have to accept the privacy for location and etc. We can skip with our synchronize with Android and click only save files to this PC. We can decline this ads by Microsoft. We can skip also. Okay, we already use this version of Windows, and this is stable version, we think, but not stable version from Microsoft. We clarify, and after we try this Windows 11 build 25197, it's smooth and no error as expected. And you can see the new tab come default after the installation without any configuration here. You can see, and there is some features on this Windows, and we will try to share you in the next video about this Windows 11. You can download these ISO files of Windows 11. The link of the ISO files on the pinned comment. Hope this video helpful for you.